Gentlemen, please rise. I think we do an individual one because we see there is a great difference developing this.
So when you are at next leader, you are at the end, for example.
So how do you really see that we need to really involve in the SDGs number 8, for instance, the decent works as well as the economic growth for the women?
The Swiss government mentioned that we will not allow the body of
This is inconvenience on other because
if don't build the house based on
see the way